Is everyone ready to eat?
I'm gonna get the chance to taste more. We have an open stomach. Stomach open? Yeah. Okay. We take it for the
Maybe that's not for that job.
Yeah. That would be kind of gross. That would be nice. Yeah, you can use. No.
What is the characteristics from high school?
Yeah. So that is normally spicy.
You like spicy?
Yeah. We use a lot of seasoning. And we also use Spanish some. But there's different things that we use that Spanish people don't.
May I sit here?
So